my name is Deepika and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you different brush strokes that are required for any kind of watercolor painting. We will be using round brush for that, as these are the most versatile and widely used brushes. Here I have this 12 number fine arts brush, 10 number, 8 number, 5 number camlin brush, 4 number camlin brush. You will notice that the same number in different brands has different kind of bristles. These are not very good. I have been doing acrylics and everything using these, which is not a good thing to do. Like you can see, this brush is spoiled now. I can't use it anymore. So I'll be using this 12 number, one medium size, 5 number camlin brush and one 000 brush. Let's get started. First, let us make few lines. For that, I'm taking this blue color I'm using Artist Watercolor Cakes from Camel. Just use the tip of your brush and arm to make thin lines. If you'll use your wrist, these lines won't be so firm. When you'll use your arm, this I'm using my wrist. This is my arm. You'll have to practice it many times. Now let us make some twists. Push, lift, push, lift. This is the belly of the brush. This is the tip of the brush. We are using the belly to make these round shapes, oval shapes, and the tip to make the lines. Push, lift, push, lift. Push, lift, push, lift. It will help you making roses like this one. Tip of the brush is used to make thinner lines. I'm just showing you the possibilities. Now let's make some twists and turns using the tip of a brush. I'm not pushing on my brush. There's no extra pressure. If I'll put the pressure, these will convert into these kind of swirls. These are also pretty, but right now we are practicing just using the tip of our brush. We can also practice some strokes like these to make grass in different directions. I'm putting the color on the belly of my brush and we'll just drag it to see it's different when we change the directions of our brush. Take the brush which you have right now and practice all these exercises. Try these exercises in different directions. Rotate your paper if you need to. This dabbing technique can be used to make beautiful textures, freckles. Reduce the pressure on your brush and notice how tiny details can be made using this 12 number brush. Now let us proceed to medium size brush, 5 number. Again, we'll start with a line practice. Try both ways. I'm using my arm. Here I am using my wrist. See whichever way you are comfortable with. And practice making straight lines. Let us try this second exercise. Push, lift, push, twist and lift, push, lift. We are not getting very nice thin lines. Let's do it again. Push, twist and lift, push, twist and lift, push, twist and lift. This is not holding a lot of paint in its belly. Push, twist and lift, push, twist and lift, push. This technique is used to make leaves. Again, rose. watercolors, there is nothing like right or wrong. Just go with the flow, whatever works for you. But always notice, like if you want to make thin lines, there has to be a very little pressure. Very little pressure. Work by using the tip of your brush, not the belly. I use my little finger to support my hand so that there is not much pressure on the brush. My little finger is taking all the pressure. Now let us try our grass strokes. Now we'll fill the color in the belly of our brush and slant it over the paper. Try different possibilities. Let's make little freckles. And let's do the same exercise using a thinner brush, 000 brush. We are filling the whole brush with this color. And let's make thin lines using our arm. It is more useful when you have to make longer lines. Your wrist will not help you in that. See, if there is less water in your brush, then it will give you dry lines. Let us finish this. Now we'll try this technique. Push, lift, push, lift, push, lift. I'm twisting my brush a little when I'm lifting. Push, twist, lift, push, twist, lift, push. Because this is a very thin brush, it will require more time to fill a larger space. Once you'll practice these little strokes, then we can start with our fun compositions, how to make compositions, how to make landscapes, flowers, leaves, wreaths. Let me know in comments below what you are more interested in, and I'll teach that in our next class. Let's try a rose. I'll make a separate video to teach you roses, different angles. See, there is less water in my brush. Sometimes I like this look, dry brush stroke. Now we'll practice these thin lines. We are practicing this so that we could give finishing effect to our artworks. Like a stem, branch, using this brush. Let's look at through a different angle. This is a grass stroke. Again, I'm using my little finger to support me. I'm filling my brush with this color and just dragging it slightly. Little freckles, some textures. Try different ways, techniques, what you think your brush can do. You are the best teacher yourself. Here I am mixing two colors. This and this. We are done with our simple exercise using different brush strokes. Do as many practice sheets as possible. And then we'll get started with our next class. Maybe making roses and leaves. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.